Hey guys, Pinnacle Paul here with you. I've got two East in stock that I want to go over with you. First, I want to highlight the 53102 all aluminum drop deck. This trailer is equipped with two toolboxes, passenger side and driver's side. It comes with a spread air, with a rear slider and a front lift axle. The trailer is also equipped with 12 sliding winches and ramps, 18 by 96 inches, which is 18 inch by 8 foot ramps. Okay, great for hauling any cargo product, equipment. Just a great design trailer. Next to it, we have an East all aluminum 48102 spread air flatbed. The East Beast. Spread air, aluminum wheels, toolbox, center of the spread, 12 sliding winches. Great weights on both these trailers. So if you're out running the road, please check us out, pinnacletrailersales.com, and our great East line. We're looking for your business. Give us a call. Thank you.